Okay, hello everyone. I've got a quick video here on module replacement and the timing on a SaMASZ Cutter Bar. So, first thing you do, grab a 19mm socket, you'll undo the top hat bolts here, take the blades, blade holder, and undo the nuts, 5 of them, 19mm as well. Once they're undone, we want to time it so you have the scallops 12 and 6 o'clock, and they'll be the same for all of them. The module just lifts out, and to replace it, just put it back in. A check we can do for the timing is to put a straight edge along it and the one next to it, and so long as these bolt holes here line up, if you ruler, you're okay. If, for example, we were a tooth out, see how those ones line up? But we're way out here. That's how it should look. Basically everything should be 90 degrees to each other. And then to tighten it up, these nuts here, 125 Newton meters, and the top hat one's 85 Newton meters. Put that all back together, everything will be 90 degrees to each other, and you'll be good to go.